Hey everyone, welcome to the part 18 of report building in Power BI. So in this video, we are going to have a look at the mobile layouts in Power BI, how we can create mobile layouts in Power BI. So mobile layout allows us to design optimized view of our reports specifically for phones and tablets. So it improves the readability and usability on small screens. And it is quite obvious nowadays that when you are publishing your report, the stakeholders can view the report on a mobile or a tablet device. So the reason why we use mobile layouts explicitly is, regular report pages may look cluttered or unreadable on a mobile. So, imagine this is the size of our report. And if I directly, without creating mobile layout, if I directly put it in a, see it in a mobile view, then it will not be visible properly. Okay. So mobile layout basically helps users access the key matrices on the go, and it is more touch friendly layout, enhances interaction. So let us have a look how we can do that. So I'm just going to show you a sample. Later you can try out to create the complete view. So here at the bottom you can see our normal reports are always created in the desktop view. So this is created in the desktop view, the standard size. And here I will click on the mobile view. Okay. So under mobile view you can see I was on the executive dashboard. So here it is showing me all the stuff that is available on the on our executive dashboard. Now you can decide that which all elements do you want to put it over here. Okay. Also the new Power BI nowadays provides us a feature of auto create the mobile layout. So if I auto create the mobile layout, so let me try this option. So you can see everything is arranged, in a normal order as Power BI thinks it should be visible in this way. Okay, if you are okay with this layout, then you can go ahead with that. If not, you can just erase this layout and drag and drop your own stuff. So suppose I want to put the total revenue over here, so you can resize these buttons. So important KPIs you can put up on top. So this we have already put. This is the monthly revenue or something. Okay, also you can put up some important charts out there and so on. Okay, so it's simply you're dragging and dropping the existing elements, and you're trying to create a proper layout using it so that they are visible properly on a mobile device. So you can see on your single screen this stuff will be visible, and then when you scroll this will be your next screen. Okay, so you can keep on putting the stuff, and in this way your mobile layout will be created. Okay, so do try it out. Please try to create mobile layout for at least one of the pages so that you are comfortable with them.